From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of stepping out of the shower onto a cold, slippery floor? Look no further than the H.VERSAILTEX Sage bathroom rugs, the ultimate solution for a safer and more luxurious bathroom experience. These premium bath rugs have been a game changer for many, with thousands of customers swearing by their exceptional quality and performance. One of the standout features of these rugs is their extra absorbent material, which soaks up water like a giant sponge, leaving your feet feeling pampered and dry. The non-skid backing provides a secure grip on the floor, eliminating the worry of slipping and falling, and the vibrant decor adds a touch of warmth and style to your bathroom. The bold pop stripes pattern is not only visually appealing, but it also adds a playful touch to the space, making it perfect for families. In terms of maintenance, these rugs are incredibly easy to care for. Simply machine wash them in cold water and tumble dry on low, and they'll be good as new. The soft, plush texture is a joy to walk on, and the sound of the water being absorbed is almost soothing. Whether you're looking to upgrade your master bathroom or add a touch of luxury to a guest bathroom, the H.VERSAILTEX Sage bathroom rugs are an excellent choice, offering a unique combination of style, safety, and comfort that's hard to find in other bath rugs. With their easy setup, king size, and durable construction, it's no wonder these rugs are so well reviewed and popular among customers. So why settle for a boring, functional bath rug when you can have a luxurious, high-quality one that will make your bathroom feel like a spa? Give the H.VERSAILTEX Sage bathroom rugs a try and experience the difference for yourself. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.